Welcome to my local reviews, where the reviews are hardcore. Today's review is gonna be over Lay's Flamin' Hot Chips. Yeah, it's pretty cute, tiny little bag. But I don't care, I'm just trying to taste the food. Well, let's do this, Lay's, in your tiny little bag. Ah! Alright, look at that. Looks like kinda has a white looking chip flavor with red seasoning. Let's try it. I was waiting for the flaming hot part. Well, once again, most things that say flaming hot, spicy, oh God, it's gonna kill you. It usually doesn't. Not me anyway. I'm a big fan of spicy things. This is definitely not flaming hot. After you probably eat this entire bag, probably way back in the back, your tongue may tingle a little bit. You're going, oh, wow. But you had to eat the whole bag, 2 handfuls. Just a regular Lay's potato chip with just some type of red, supposed to be flaming hot flavoring sprinkled on top. It's not hot. Most chips that say they're hot, they're really not. Flaming Funyuns. After you eat a few of those, they actually are a little warm. But flaming hot, flaming not. Anyway, that's it for today. Remember, whatever you do with life, keep it hardcore. Yeah.